how to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet using your Google Pay. Now, this guide here doesn't show how to use your Google Pay to buy Bitcoin, but it's the same way and it works the same. So here's a detailed guide. So first thing you want to do is basically open the Trust Wallet and then launch the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. And then initiate a buy button, which is located at the buy or purchase button on the home screen, and then tap on it. And then search for Bitcoin or the BTC and then select it. And then Trust Wallet will likely display a list of trusted third-party payment providers like PayPal or your bank accounts. And then simply just select the payment method. And in here, you can choose the Google Pay payment method, which is what you want to use using Google Pay. So after that, you can now easily complete the purchase by following the provider's instructions to enter the amount you wish to buy and then confirm the transaction using Google Pay. Now, here's an important note though. Trust Wallet's interface and available payment options might vary depending on your region and the provider you choose. So it's recommended to refer to Trust Wallet's official support documentation for the most accurate and up-to-date instructions. So it may depend on your regions whether or not you can use Google Pay to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. And although it doesn't show here, you can still buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet and by using VPN. So if you have a VPN, you can try using a VPN to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet.